Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add a widget here on your lock screen. So if you want to add a widget on your lock screen, then let me show you how to do this. So first we'll go ahead and lock the screen, go ahead and wake it up, and then go ahead and long press on your lock screen. Then tap on Customize. Now you want to go ahead and find this Add Widget bar. So if you want to add widgets to this, you can go ahead and tap on Add Widgets. And here you can go ahead and add all these different types of widgets. There are apps from different widgets as well, so you can go ahead and add that as well. And once that's done, tap on Done at the top right, and now you've added widgets to your lock screen. So there you go guys, that is how to add widgets to your lock screen on iOS 26.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.